As snug as a bug in a rug I am. We are at Waterworks Park. We are hosting our Splish Storytime. This is an annual summer program series that we do every summer. It's great for early literacy, a nice fun family activity that's free.
There's a giant hungry frog coming.
We'll do quick story time, some songs, some rhymes. And dried up all the rain and the itsy bitsy. And then after we finish, then the kids and the families can get in the pool and swim for about 20 to 25 minutes. So we do a different theme each week. The theme is bugs for this week. The kids love it. They have a great time. So we do Splish Storytime every Thursday during the summer. The majority of the time it's going to be the entire month of June and July. Wow, that bug went on a journey, didn't he?